Hi everybody, this is Dan Dosky. I'm the Vice President for Video Services here at Legal Graphicworks. And one of the big requests that we're getting, of course, with people having to work from home is to do remote video conferences. So I want to walk you guys through one of the tools that we use, which is called Zoom. You probably heard about it or seen it or have people mention it. It is a very good tool, and there's a specific reason that we use Zoom as opposed to Skype or some of the other providers, and I'll get to that in a second. But just wanted to walk you through it. So assuming you're at the Zoom homepage, you've set up an account. When you go to the My Account page, you have the option up here to schedule a meeting or join a meeting that's already in progress by putting in a meeting ID, host a meeting, etc. Let's just go through how you schedule a meeting, and this is really, really simple. We're just going to give it a name. I'm going to call it Dan's Meeting. And you don't need to give it a lot of information. In fact, the time and the date really don't matter. You'll be able to access this meeting anytime, whether you're before the date or after the date and time or right on it. Duration also doesn't matter. There is a maximum length for Zoom, but it's very easy to get reconnected if you really need to do a long meeting, and most of your meetings are probably not going to be hours and hours long. So just moving on down, you can make a recurring meeting, you can require people to register, you can just generate automatically the meeting ID, which is what I would suggest. You also do have a personal meeting ID, but that'll mean that every meeting you would have would be the same meeting ID. I generally turn off the password requirement just because I want to make it easy for our clients when they want to connect. Everybody usually wants to be on video, whether they're the host or the participant. You want to be able to give them both telephone and computer audio. You want people to be able to join before the host so they can sit basically in the waiting room, if you will, and wait for you to connect. And then once you save it, they'll give you some options. So you can send it to people on a Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, Yahoo Calendar, etc. You can just do just this link. You can also copy the invitation, which is what I usually do because it gives you all the different ways to connect. So people can connect with this link, and there's the meeting ID. They can do a one-tap mobile, which is like a link on your cell phone that you can tap and go to. You can dial in by phone. You don't have to do this as a video call. You can also join by what this says is H.323, which is an internet capable video conferencing system, and this is the reason that we use Zoom. We use Zoom so that we can connect not only with people on their laptops and cell phones and tablets, but also by room systems, and room systems are dedicated video conferencing systems, usually with high definition cameras, and they really do produce a nice result in terms of what the video call looks like when you're done. So you can copy this meeting invitation, paste it into an email, etc. It makes it very easy. So now I'm going to go to a meeting that I've already set up. So this is under previous meetings, and that's only because the time frame happened in the past. I'm going to click on the name of the meeting, and I'm going to just click Join Now. When I do that, it's going to ask me to open up the Zoom Meetings application, which I definitely recommend doing. You want to go ahead and open that up and download that to your computer, and it gives you a lot of nice functionality with Zoom. So I've opened that up now, and I'm going to join with computer audio, which just means I'm using the computer speaker. And this is actually our conference room right across the hallway, where one of our videographers, Wallace, is setting up for a shoot tomorrow. Hey, Wallace.
Oh, hey, Dan. How's it going?
It's going well, sir. So we're just doing a little demo for Zoom so people can see how that works. So this is connected to a room system like I was talking about earlier. I can also share screens. So if I want to share one of my screens, I can do that. I can pick a video that's playing and click share, and now be sharing that screen with everyone in the video conference. So those things are some really nice functionality that you have with Zoom video conferencing. again, flexibility, ability to connect with lots of different rooms in different places, and also high quality and easy to access for everyone to find. So I'm going to end the meeting. I'm just going to leave the meeting and get out of it. And then just also mention that if this seems like a lot for you to tackle, if you are not somebody who is proficient or comfortable working with computers and technology like this, please do give us a call or send us an email. We would be happy to set this up for you. On our website, we have a place where you can just put your information in, and we'll get back to you based on that and let you know how it works. But whether it's just some free advice or whether you need our professional help, or you need us to come to you and set up a video conference or bring a computer to a witness or a location, we are more than happy to do that and make sure that you can continue the work of your cases and continue the work that you need to do while everybody is trying to stay socially distant and stay healthy. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys soon, hopefully sooner than later, in person.